Darn he that's very dona. It's only Darcy that's in Vehianin MLS Major League Soccer USA Soccer League Sangber Kakan Kwa in team and they are to me to an game Masaber and Keldona New York Red Bulls and then to that soon in Kelpuchin Ho then grouping ticket kan la to in Kalturong Kalmai Mukom Dona Miron Lam Trap Dong Chamber Martin. It's my own Bacalonia. Do not gain on the Higa Dun weekend done in Anzinovan in Gen Kolsaka and Winen, Lad Parrot. And we there and Vakin, you know, and some optical. Hey. Hey. Say hi. Ram. Azak zoom ni so. Oh. Kakalvele Aaron Ram. Whatever. Thanko ma ina chuanin ka champagne niya ka teammate. Kan ka khom le ka ni. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that light. Yeah. Do I think he bedroom like this? Like kumiko ayenko. Shalom.
I know everyone, and I don't know gonna scream. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Like this stadium. But mega. Like shit,
Shit. Whoa! Atlanta. The first game ever.
Yeah.
History will be made. And we are there to witness it. It's happening. It's live. Live, everybody.
Midtown LA.
Live. Atlanta, everybody.
YouTube.
We live. How are you doing?
My followers.
Atlanta.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Come on, one more time.
That's it.
One more time.
Okay, we're going to the game Atlanta United, New York Red Bulls. Home game, our first home game in season.
Okay.
We're gonna win.
That didn't rhyme though. That did not rhyme.
What?
I thought it was gonna rhyme at the end.
Rhyme?
Rhyme.
What is rhyme?
Rhyme.
What is rhyme? What is rhyme?
Okay. It's okay.
The game starts in 15 minutes, so I think we should like walk.
Tell them run.
It might, like someone said, it might be like.
Everybody, listen. We have a soccer podcast show called Oz Catching King Soccer Podcast Show. You can find it on iTunes. It's me and Kerry. Kerry, where are you?
I'm right here.
Kerry, where are you? Tell us about the podcast.
The podcast brings you real content,
personal content from experts on soccer and on soccer culture, and bring all sorts of stuff. And check it out, onscotchingking.com. Check it out. It's gonna be legit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, they just advertised on my channel.
He's like, this is way too long. I'm just gonna have to cut this down.
Oh my God! What if we just like
From
see them
Chan,
randomly
from
someday?
Tâm Lek đây. Đón phần thơ ra cũng cần.
Det är längre för du... Så om du tar någon trafik så kommer du ganska snabbt igenom.
Ja, utan trafik är det där på 20 minuter.
Ja. Det är det jag tänker. Du kan nog cykla genom att...
Friendly games during the summer. What if Barcelona and Real Madrid comes to Atlanta for a friendly game?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is happening now.
It's happening.
Oh my God, it's hitting me now.
Sen Megani.
Is this in a different language?
Yeah.
Which language?
Mizo.
Mizo?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good pronunciation by the way.
Dude, that's what I'm telling you.
Mizo.
Mizo, what was the other one?
Mizo and Falam.
Salam.
Yeah. But I'm Mizo though.
Say something. It's such a lame thing to say.
No.
Say something in that.
Idam ma'am.
Idam.
Idam ma'am.
Idam nam.
Idam ma'am.
Idam man.
Okay, close. Idam ma'am.
Idam man.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Kadame. How are you?
Oh, dude. How are you? Idam nam.
Yeah. Kadame. Kadam.
Kadam.
Yeah.
Kadam.
I'm good.
Yeah.
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 We're walking.
Why not? We don't know.
And it's like $40 or something. So we try to park it.
Kan kijk Kolmek.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What he says.
Do you know me here? Sweden me. From Sweden.
Zlatan Ibrahimovic.
Okay.
Huh?
You're like a black person right now.
Oh
I'm
my
super
God.
white. I'm like the whitest person ever.
No, look at this. You're black.
That's how it looks.
Yeah.
Cool.
Arsenal.
I can.
Diversity. All right. No. Every now and then. Wow, look at this speedball. Shouldn't them see it? Oh my God. Hi. Mà xem một cái tầm tụ à lại là tầm mama. Look at this.
I don't know. What's so I'm gate. I think I'm gate one.
Yeah. So this is
You know what gate you are?
No.
full camera tonight, bro.
Ngon này chị. Mình hóa trận. Chuyện này là cái đó là có thể là bạn. Xuống luôn. Wow. Wow. Asik. Stadium cuma asik gunung banget kan. Gunung banget. Hai. Hai. 哎，老万你啊！出错了。
A yellow card caution has been issued for referee to the Red Bulls. Number 15, Sal Zizzo, in the 39th minute of the first half.
Loved it.
What is it based off? It's getting faster.
It's like the Iceland.
Oh, is that what they're trying to do? The volcano?
Wow.
Эта сторона яруса не очень яруса. Та сторона.
Now we're doing, first we did Iceland, now we're doing Bayern Munich.
Chắc là hoa ăn hổ mà em ngồi xuống rồi
On the
chắc
stairs.
là xuống ăn hổ mà chị ăn nhiều mẹ 5:30 지인당하래 전에